my name is Anbrit and welcome to my channel. My background is I'm a beauty therapist, holistic therapist, and I've been in the beauty industry, skincare industry for 30 years. So today's video we're going to be reviewing RoC Retinol Correxion Deep Wrinkle Serum and the Deep Wrinkle Night Cream. So without further ado, let's get to the video. So guys, let's talk about the serum first. So the serum, I have been using it for the past 3 months, and I'm going to tell you the claims that RoC make, okay? So excuse me, but I'm going to have to put my new prescription reading specs on because one is getting blind as a bat at my age. So the results after 12 weeks of clinical testing. So after 4 weeks, your skin is going to be more radiant, fine lines on face and neck are smooth, skin firmness is improved. After 8 weeks, crow's feet are visibly reduced, signs of photo damage are diminished. After 12 weeks, deep wrinkles on face and neck are visibly reduced. This exclusive formula is non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog the pores. It's a light silky fluid, glides on easily and absorbs quickly, leaves your skin feeling smooth and velvety. The formula, I'm going to talk about the formula in a second. So you use this on dry skin as I showed in how to apply a retinoid. I go more into detail there. This is more of a review. So you apply it on dry skin at night time, and make sure you're using an SPF in the daytime. So first of all, let's talk about the serum. And it's like a light gel cream texture. See, the colour is like peach colour. It does have a slight fragrance. I don't know how to describe the fragrance. It's just like a light fresh scent. Now it hasn't gave me any sensitivity or irritating. It hasn't stung my skin, because they say when you start retinol, like, use it every other night. I have been using this, as I said, for 3 months. Now, I have seen an improvement in my skin, but I would not say it takes away deep lines. I have a deep line here, here. Not too bad for 51, right? And I've had nothing done, might I add. I just try to be diligent about my skincare. So, let's talk about the ingredients that are in the serum, and then we're going to compare it to the cream. So we have our usual ingredients here. We have retinol, which, as we know, speeds up the cell turnover and stimulates collagen elastin production, blah blah blah. And then we have your mineral complex, which is zinc, magnesium, copper. They work. Zinc is anti-inflammatory, very soothing on the skin. And the copper and magnesium there for the collagen synthesis to help the retinol along. Interestingly enough, in this formula we have ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C. Now, we're always told not to mix vitamin C and retinol, but when it comes to a brand doing it, they know what they're doing, so hey. But that works by vitamin C is for brightening the skin, also good for hyperpigmentation, same as retinol. Then we have vitamin E, which is soothing, anti-inflammatory, and helps maintain a healthy moisture barrier, skin barrier. We have glycerin, which is a moisturizer, and humectant. So the Deep Wrinkle Serum, my review is, yes, it has helped my skin. I've seen, I would say, a difference in fine lines, but deep wrinkles, no. I think that's a bit too enthusiastic. So let's talk about now the Deep Wrinkle Night Cream. So this cream here, and I showed in the retinoid video how to apply retinol, be it prescription or over the counter, how to apply it properly, but it's on dry skin. This is a silky, lightweight formula, and the difference between the cream and the serum and the ingredients, so let me tell you, they both have, so let's talk about what they have the same. They both have glycerin, they both have the mineral complex, which is copper, magnesium and zinc. They both have vitamin E. Now the difference with this one is it has shea butter, which is very soothing, very moisturising, anti-inflammatory. We have glycolic acid, which is an AHA, an exfoliant, and we also have squalane, which is similar to our own oil, and that is anti-inflammatory and locks in the moisture and is good also for maintaining a healthy skin barrier. So none of these products like stung my skin or made them red or excessive dryness, nothing like that. They were actually both okay. Now the Deep Wrinkle Night Cream also has a fragrance, just for the sensitive skin people out there. Okay, instantly skin is hydrated. In 4 weeks skin appears more radiant, signs of photo damage appear diminished. In 8 weeks 93% had visible improvement in the appearance of deep wrinkles. In 12 weeks wrinkles are visibly reduced by up to 50%. Okay. Now, interestingly enough, you do not normally layer retinol products, but you can go on the website. With RoC Skincare, you can actually use the serum and the night cream. Just apply the same way on dry skin in 3 dots on your forehead, 1 on the nose, 2 in the cheeks, 1 on the chin and 2 in the jaw, and just to make sure you're dispersing the product evenly, and do the same with your cream. Now you can, if you find retinol, if you find this a bit more drying on your skin, you can actually layer a moisturiser on top of this. Just make sure it does not contain any retinol. But as I said, you can use this and then this within this brand. Go right to the website, it says that, which I was quite surprised at, but anyway, you can. Now, the Deep Wrinkle Serum, I have been using it religiously for 3 months. I do like RoC Skincare, I do like their retinol. They were the first brand to actually stabilise retinol 25 years ago, so I trust it. But I will be doing, I'm going to try out some other retinol products, not just RoC Skincare. The cream, I've only been using this for a month. I would definitely say my skin is normal to oily, but I do find that I need a bit more moisture when I'm using just the retinol. So I'm going to come and do, in a couple of months we'll review again of using these two. Maybe it makes a better difference when you layer these. Let's see, because since I read that on the website, that's what I've been doing for the past month. So give it another couple of months and we'll revisit this. So if you are wanting to just choose between these two, what would I suggest? I would suggest the cream. The serum is nice too, but I would say with the cream you might see a bit more results. So that is my review of RoC Retinol Correction Deep Wrinkle Night Cream and the Deep Wrinkle Cream. I hope you enjoyed, and please make sure you subscribe, because that subscription button is really lonely and feels like it's living off the grid. I don't know what the hell's going on. So until the next skincare beauty video, I will say adios and over and out, and thank you for watching. Bye.